Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the TikTok lag when TikTok is slow or is not responding. So the first thing you can try is you need to check your connection, whether you are on mobile data or Wi-Fi. If you are on Wi-Fi, you should probably change because mobile data can be stronger and this may be your problem. If this is not your problem, the second thing you can always try with these kind of problems is just go to your profile on the bottom right corner and go to the three lines on the top right corner, click settings and privacy, and just scroll down to free app space. Here it's gonna calculate the cache, and once it's done you're gonna just tap clear and you're gonna clear the cache. The drafts are not gonna be gone, you don't have to be afraid of that. And you just close the application, reopen the application, and try if this worked. Another thing you can try is just go to the App Store, type in TikTok, and go to TikTok and see if this has an update. If the app has an update but it doesn't update, or if you update it but it still doesn't work right, then you just need to go to your settings, go to general, and then tap iPhone storage, and here go to TikTok. And now this step is gonna delete your drafts, so you need to be aware of this before you do that. So your drafts are gonna be gone if you do this. So you're gonna just upload the app. So you click upload app and then you click reinstall app. If you're still experiencing the problem, just reboot your phone and check if the problem still exists. And if so, then you just go to the browser, and at this point you want to try typing in is TikTok down, and just click the down detector link. And if you see spikes at the time you're looking at this, then probably many people are having problems with TikTok right now, so it may be a TikTok problem, so it should be resolved within some hours. This TikTok is probably actively working on fixing the problem. Alright, so all in all, this is how to fix TikTok lag.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.